Hello, my name is Aaron Powers, Global Product Manager for Maxcess, responsible for Tidland slitting and winding equipment. We're here in our Camas, Washington plant to show you the new Tidland RD AutoScore. This system has several key benefits for customers, all while providing a payback on the initial investment in less than 1 year. First, the RD AutoScore works on film liners, including PET. This allows you to run more types of material faster. It also improves ergonomics and safety by removing operators from working inside the machine. It creates less waste by eliminating material scrap and blade damage from trial and error setups. Finally, the system reduces setup times through fast blade changes and repeatable and accurate setups through automatic positioning of the cut-to depth and score blade lateral positions. To review the main components of the Tidland RD AutoScore, we have an electromagnetic transducer for reading the lateral positions. We have a belt drive with stepper motor for actuating the lateral positions. We have quick disconnect cables and hoses for ease of maintenance and ease of installation. We have blade holders with built-in motors to control the depth of the cut-to depth of the blades. We're using Rotometrics RD Score blades and a Rotometrics anvil for our cutting. The system's designed to mount directly to a side frame, so no cutouts to the machine side frame are needed for mounting. We have separate air and control cabinets with a touchscreen that can be mounted in an easy location for the operator. And finally, the cut-to depth accuracy of the system is repeatable within 1/2 micron, which is achieved through separate depth control motors on each knife. The Tidland RD AutoScore user interface has a tabbed layout for the different control screens. The main screen has some of the main adjustment features and a graphical image of the system. You can also access the pattern history and queue for particular jobs that will be run during the shift, and set that up and save and edit patterns as well. And the Alarms tab has a history of any diagnostic alarms or knife clash alarms that have occurred. Going back to the main screen, the image in the center of the screen shows in real time the movements and settings of both knives on the system. In the bottom left is the pattern selections area. Here you can choose the next pattern, new patterns, or modify existing patterns. Here is the engage and disengage function with the up red arrow and green down arrow. Also, you can select from the material library of saved materials and recall previously saved materials or select an existing material. Fine-tuning of the position up and down of knives 1 and 2 can be done separately using the dialog buttons there. And finally, on the bottom right is the jog functionality to move both knives either to the operator or the machine side together a set amount to adjust for web alignment. Now we're going to demonstrate scoring a few materials on the Tidland RD AutoScore. So I'll start out, I've got a 6-inch wide material, so I'm going to set my trim width to 5 inches by modifying the existing pattern. So this pattern, currently the depth or the trim width is set to 8 inches. I'm going to edit that and set it to 5. Everything looks good, so I'll start my move. So the knives will retract if they were in the engaged state before moving. The retraction takes about 10 seconds. And this material is a 4mm vinyl material. So I'm going to recall that material from the library and select the material to run. Before engaging, we'll insert our test strip of material. When the material is selected and the position is set, and hit engage. Next, we're going to change materials and trim widths. So the next material I'm going to run has a 9-inch web width. So I'm going to modify my pattern. Material we have is a 9-inch web width, so we're going to set an 8-inch trim width. So I'll edit, change that to 8 inches, hit OK, and then start move. So the system retracts back to the home position. Okay, then we're going to recall this previously saved material. So the material we're going to try next is a 2 mil thick polypropylene face material with a 40-pound paper liner. I'm going to select this material to run. We hit engage. Both knives are green, so we're ready to pull the material through. For questions or more information, reach out to your local representative or find us at maxcess.com.